I'm born June the 25th. Yes, my birthday is June the 27th. No, I'm to my fluffy. Yes, I'm a Cancer. Blessings, my G. Up, mama. Oh, June 25th, you're born. Big up yourself, bro. 27. Cancer people real. Cancer people just have too much heart. Now I worry myself, Nikki. Yeah, I'm a good Kem. Alright, Kem, big up yourself too. Thanks for passing through. Everybody will come in and top of the screen. Pim, big up yourself too. Right, for you come and see at top of the screen too. Big up Pim. Everybody else at top of the screen. Big up on yourself. Big up. I am a legend. And big up Pinky Lee. Big up Car. Big up Sandy Bliss. Mr. Big up everybody. You see me? Alright, Pim later. I know I'm gonna sleep it, but that's how it go. Everything happen for a reason. Everything.